Good morning, students. So today we are going to continue a topic figure of speech. So we had already seen the 6 figure of speech in a last video. Today we are continuing with hyperbole, that is exaggeration. So what is actually meant by hyperbole and exaggeration? This is a अतिशयोक्ति अलंकार. इसे हम कहेंगे अतिशयोक्ति अलंकार. So statement is made emphatic by overstatement. So in this figure of speech, the statement is made emphatic by overstatement. emphatic का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे प्रभावी. स्टेटमेंट को प्रभावी बनाने के लिए हाइपरबोल या एग्जैगरेशन का यूज होता है. वी आर सीइंग द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. I saw 1,000 daffodils in a glance. I saw 1,000 daffodils in a glance. Means it is not possible that he is seeing the 1,000 daffodils in a glance. Means whether he counted that? No. That's why it is a overstatement. After that, Seema wept ocean of tears. Seema wept ocean of tears. Ocean of tears. Is it possible? Ocean of tears. Is it possible? No. That's why it is a overstatement, and that's why it is a hyperbole or exaggeration. I have not seen my brother for ages. I have not seen my brother for ages. Do you know that man's period on this earth is stipulated? So in that period he says that कि I have not seen my brother since ages. मैंने अपने भाई को युगों से नहीं देखा. Means again it is a overstatement. After that, I saw a millions of stars in the sky. I saw a millions of stars in the sky. Millions of stars. Millions of stars means it is again a overstatement. Again it is a overstatement. After that, rivers of blood flowed. Rivers of blood flowed in the battle. Rivers of blood flowed in the battle. Blood is okay, but rivers of blood not possible. That's why again it is a overstatement. That's why it is a hyperbole or exaggeration. Next figure of speech is onomatopoeia, that is also called as a onomatopoeia also. So it is called as dhvani alankar. Means it is a sound device. Basically it is a sound device. Sound suggests its meaning. Sound suggests its meaning. First example we are seeing here, bang of the door. The bang of the door. Here the sound is bang. Here the sound is bang. After that, shriveling of leaves. Shriveling of leaves means there are the dry leaves. There is a dry leaves and that sounds shrivels. That sounds shrivels. So it is a shriveling of leaves. After that, twittering of birds. Twittering of birds means it is a bird sound. Twittering. After that, jingle of coins. Sometimes there are some coins in our pockets and it sounds jingle. Jingle bells also. So here is a sound jingle. After that, vroom vroom of the motorbike. Vroom vroom of the motorbike means here is the given the sound to the motorbike is vroom vroom. So there is a next figure of speech is exclamation. Exclamation का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे उद्गार. Here is given the little definition about it कि used to grow greater attention or strong feelings. Generally the exclamation used for the strong attention or a greater attention or a strong feelings. For example, what a panoramic view. What a panoramic view. क्या मनोरम दृश्य है. What a panoramic view का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे क्या मनोरम दृश्य है. Means the ideas comes from the bottom of our heart. So what a panoramic view. After that, what a pleasant surprise. What a pleasant surprise यानी कितना सुखद आश्चर्य है. What a pleasant surprise. Next, how disgusting. How disgusting. How disgusting means कितना घिनौना है. After that, what nonsense. क्या बकवास है. What nonsense means क्या बकवास है. After that, how dare you touch me. How dare you touch me. So these are the examples of exclamation. These are the examples of exclamation. After that, the next figure of speech is interrogation. interrogation, that is also called as a rhetorical. Means in that interrogation, question is asked not for the sake of getting an answer, but to make that sentence more effective. Means to make sentence more emphatic. सेंटेंस को प्रभावी बनाने के लिए इंट्रोगेशन का यूज यहाँ पे किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, who will not love his country? Who will not love his country means everybody loves his country. The meaning is that everybody loves his country. Means answer is already included in that question. After that, who will not love pets? Who will not love pets means everybody love pets. Everybody love pets. After that, if you succeed, do not rejoice. If you succeed, do not rejoice. Yes, definitely. Next, shall I be wasting my time like this? No, never. Shall I be wasting my time like this? No, never. So these are the examples of interrogation. Means in that interrogation, answer is already included in that question, and the the statement is made emphatic by given the question mark there. Next, there is a pun. So similar word is used in different context. In pun, similar word is used in different context. Means एक ही word का use अलग अलग क्रिया के लिए यहाँ पे किया जाता है. Means it has a two meanings or more than two meanings. For example, horse is a stable animal. For example, horse is a stable animal. Here is the word stable. Here is the word stable. But do you know that generally the horses are kept in a stable, but the second meaning is that immovable. Means it creates a fun. In that pun, it creates a fun. Means horse is a stable animal. Whether it is a stable animal or immovable, means these are the two questions are there. After that, life is worth living. It depends upon the liver. Life is a worth living and it depends upon the liver. Means here is the word liver, but it has a two meaning. First, liver means the person who dwells on this earth, that is called as a liver, and the second meaning is the body organ. The second meaning is body organ. Means life is worth living. जीवन यह जीने योग्य है, मगर डिपेंड्स अपॉन द लिवर. मगर ये किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? जो व्यक्ति वहाँ पे रह रहा है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है. एंड सेकंड मीनिंग इज अ लिवर. लिवर मीन्स इज अ बॉडी ऑर्गन. आफ्टर दैट, एन एलिफेंट्स ओपिनियन कैरीज अ लॉट ऑफ वेट. एन एलिफेंट्स ओपिनियन कैरीज अ लॉट ऑफ वेट. व्हाट इज मीन बाय एलिफेंट्स ओपिनियन? एलिफेंट्स ओपिनियन मीन्स जो बुद्धिजीवी व्यक्ति होते हैं उनके जो विधान होते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ एलिफेंट्स ओपिनियन, एंड द सेकंड मीनिंग इज एनिमल. सो एन एलिफेंट्स ओपिनियन कैरीज अ लॉट ऑफ वेट. एलिफेंट्स ओपिनियन कैरीज अ लॉट ऑफ वेट, यानी बुद्धिजीवी व्यक्तियों के विधानों को बहुत महत्व होता है. नेक्स्ट, एन एम्बेसडर इज अ मैन हु लाइज अब्रॉड फॉर अ गुड ऑफ हिज कंट्री. Means ambassador is a man who lies abroad for a good of his country. Means ambassador का मतलब होता है कि राजदूत. Means who lies abroad, who lies in abroad for the betterment of his country. Means here is a word lies. Here is a word lies. Lies का मतलब होता है रहना. Ambassador, राजदूत वो व्यक्ति होता है कि जो विदेशों में रह के अपने कंट्री के भले के लिए काम करता है. और नेक्स्ट मीनिंग होता है लाइज. लाइज का मतलब होता है झूठ बोलना. एम्बेसडर वह व्यक्ति है जो विदेशों में रह के अपने कंट्री के भले के लिए झूठ बोलता है. सो नेक्स्ट फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इज ऑक्सीमोरन. ऑक्सीमोरन मीन्स ये विरोधाभास. इट इज़ एन एसोसिएशन ऑफ टू वर्ड्स. ये दो वर्ड का एक एसोसिएशन होता है. जनरली द अपोजिट आइडियाज आर केप्ट साइड बाय साइड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज एन ओपन सीक्रेट. This is an open secret. Open and secret are the two words given side by side. Next, there is a love is a bitter sweet. Love is a bittersweet. Everybody knows that love is a bittersweet. Next example is that may the poison purify your flesh. May the poison purify your flesh. Again here the poison and purify, two opposite words are there. Next, a doctor has to be cruel to be kind. A doctor has to be cruel to be kind. Means sometimes doctor has to be cruel for the betterment of his patient, you know. Means here is a cruel and kind. These are the two words. Next, tautology. Tautology का मतलब होता है पुनरुक्ति. Says same thing twice in a different ways. एक ही बात को दो अलग तरीके से बताना. That is tautology. I get up 5 a.m. in the morning. I get up 5 a.m. in the morning. Means 5 a.m. and the morning is the same thing. 5 a.m. and the morning is the same thing. That's why it is a tautology. Next, the evening sunset was beautiful. The evening sunset was beautiful. Generally, the sunset is fall in the evening. Means there is no need to use the word evening combined with sunset. Means evening and sunset are the same thing here. After that, it is a real fact. In our surrounding, we know that there is a tendency. Generally, people speaks like that. Ki it is a real fact. But the word real is already included in that fact. That's why there is no need to use the word separately. Okay. So, real fact. Next, I went to see him personally. I went to see him personally. I and personally are the same things. I and personally are the same thing. Okay. So, that is tautology. Next figure of speech is irony. Irony means here उपहास अलंकार हम इसे कहते हैं. इसमें व्यंग होता है. The real meaning is exactly opposite. इसमें जो real meaning होता है वो exactly opposite होता है. First example we are seeing here. The fire station burned down. The fire station is burned down. Means the fire workers are generally known for the extinguishing of fire. But it is ironically says that the fire station is burned down. यानी fire station ही जल गया. So that is irony. After that, the pilot had fear of heights. The pilot had fear of height. Do you know the pilots are generally known for the acrobats, means for the area acrobats in a high region. But here is saying that pilot had a fear of height. Means here again the irony. Next example is there. The cobbler's children have no shoes. Cobbler का मतलब होता है मोची. But the cobbler's children have no shoes. Means here the example of irony. Next example. The bed is soft like brick. The bed is soft like brick. Means that bed is not soft. Means it's like a brick. Again there is a irony. Next example, a member of PETA wore a leather shoes to meeting. A member of PETA wore a leather shoes to meeting. What is mean by PETA? PETA means here people for the ethical treatment of animals. जो एनिमल के लिए वर्क करते हैं उसी व्यक्ति ने क्या वहाँ मीटिंग में वह लेदर शूज़ पहन के आया. अगेन इट इज़ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आयरनी. सो स्टूडेंट्स वी आर कंक्लूडिंग हियर. थैंक यू.